For more tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe. Also, ring the bell so you can get notifications anytime I have new videos. Welcome to Paulstoolbox. I'm Paul Ricalde, and today we're going to be covering some really cool stuff. I'm making sample boards with StoneCoat countertop epoxy. This is some cool stuff. I use it on concrete, on MDF, on wood, all types of things. But today we're going to cover a sample board. I have a lot more in the future to show you if you guys are interested in it. I'm going to give away 2 half-gallon kits with this video. 2 weeks ago I did a video, one of the series of all the videos that I'm doing on a shed. Now I'm giving away 2 ladders from that, and the winners are being picked right now. Jeffrey Ebert, make sure you get in touch with me, buddy. You were one of the first 100 people to comment on my last video, and you won a 6-foot cross-step ladder. Cool stuff. I also have another winner, Salvador Ruiz Esparza. You guys won. You have 7 days to get back with me, and we'll have a ladder shipped off to you. Now let's get started on this video. I have my paints. This is Rust-Oleum silver, aluminum paint. This is white, brown, and this is bronze. This is a metallic bronze, oil rub bronze. Now, I'm using a copper tint and I'm using a black tint. Everything's already mixed up. I'm going to torch it a little bit, knock these bubbles out, and then we'll start on it. So I'm going to start off with my copper, and I'll just make a vein or whatever right across here. I can do a little bit here, a little bit in some spots, because this isn't going to matter. This is going to be kind of abstract. Rub this back and forth. Like I said, this is all just blending in right now. I'm just blending in colors. But I want this to be more of a highlight area, a focal point, if you will. Okay? I'll put a little bit of copper in some other areas. Alright. Take a little bit of silver. Now, I'm going to put a little bit of alcohol on top of that. And you'll see it'll break it up some. Now, we will take and just meld this in. And that silver is going to give like a metallic look in there. That's aluminum paint. So we want to take some browns now and put in here, because I want this to be more brown, not so much black. I wanted the silver for the metallic look. I'm going to take some browns. When you hit that brown with this, you have alcohol on it. It's going to start dispersing it out some when I hit it again. And I'll put a little bit of white. You saw how it was kind of fracturing out. You see that? That's from the alcohol. Rub it in a little bit. And we're going to get some different looks in here a little bit. And like I said, I want this to be a little more brown there. And we're going to let this start working with each other. Now I'll come back with my dark bronze, oil rub bronze. Just a little bit in there. We'll come back again, some alcohol. And we're going to let that just kind of work its way in. I like to have a little bit more of this copper in there.
Then we're gonna come back over with a little bit of black. See, we had the black base, and then all right. You just kind of streak it in, and it's gonna start molding into each other. The colors will start mixing. And this has got to sit and just start working its way down. It will. You just let it go now. It'll start blending into each other. And what I'm going to do now to get it to blend, so I'm going to get the heat gun out and start pushing this around, and you'll see it'll make all of these start blending in together, and those metallics will start dispersing out. You push these around, and all those little streaks will start working together, kind of marbleizing. That's when the magic happens, y'all. You see this? I want this to streak a little more. I didn't like that quite so much. And I'll just put a little bit through there to make it look like it all goes together. You just dab it, it will go back down. Don't drag your finger through it, just kind of break it up a little bit. Now the other ones that look tiny, I like that, I'll leave them. See how this gives a really cool look where I just dabbed it in? And I can make them fracture over. Okay guys, I like that. I'm gonna let that sit. Make sure you drop a comment, because we're gonna choose 2 people to win a half-gallon kit from the first 100 people that comment. And we're gonna announce these people on the next video. Make sure you subscribe. If you don't mind, please hit like for me, and I will see you guys later.